Have you ever looked at your bank account, reviewed your upcoming bills, and tried to figure out how much money you would have left next month? Companies do the same thing, but with much larger numbers. They need to estimate how much cash will come in, how much will go out, and whether enough money will be available to pay employees, suppliers, lenders, and other expenses. Now, this process is called cash forecasting. Welcome to Star Treasury Insights, Snack Sized, the industry perspective. I am Sudeep Sharma, a certified treasury professional and founder of Kuber Treasury Solutions LLC. Today, we are discussing how artificial intelligence or AI can help companies create more reliable cash forecasts. Let's break it down using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. First, the situation. Many treasury teams still build their cash forecasts using spreadsheets. Spreadsheets can be useful, but they often depend on people manually collecting information, copying numbers, and updating formulas and checking the errors. The information may also come from different bank accounts, business units, customers, suppliers, and financial systems. When data is missing or late or entered incorrectly, the forecast can quickly become unreliable. Okay, that can create a serious problem. A company may believe it has enough cash when it does not. It may then need to borrow money at the last minute, or the company may keep too much cash sitting unused because it is afraid of running short or running out of cash. Next comes task. The goal is to give Treasury a clearer view of how much cash the company may have over the next 4 to 6 weeks. That helps the company plan upcoming payments, borrowing, investments, and normal business expenses. So, how can AI help? Now, the action. First, AI supported forecasting tool can collect information from several sources. This may include customer payments, supplier invoices, bank transactions, and the company's financial systems. Instead of asking someone to copy everything into one spreadsheet, the technology can bring the information together automatically. Second, AI can look for patterns in the data. For example, some customers may usually pay late, right? Sales may increase during certain months. Large payments may happen at the same time every year. Machine learning tools can study these patterns and use them when estimating future cash. JP Morgan Chase explains that AI supported forecasting can analyze historical information, payment behavior, seasonal patterns, and other variables that traditional methods may overlook. Third, the forecast can be updated as new information comes in. Now, that means Treasury does not always have to wait until the end of the week or the end of the month to discover that something has changed. And now, finally, the result. A better forecast can help Treasury identify possible cash shortages earlier, make better borrowing decisions, and avoid leaving too much money unused. Some technology providers advertise forecast accuracy as high as 95%. See, that should not be treated as a guarantee. Actual results depend on the quality of the company's data, period. The stability of its business as well, the forecasting period, and how well the model is designed. A real-world example comes from Prismian, which used a machine learning supported cash flow solution and reported reducing manual work by 50% while saving approximately $100,000 annually. Here is the industry perspective. AI does not make human judgment unnecessary. Treasury professionals still need to review unusual activity, understand business changes, challenge assumptions, and explain the forecast to leadership. AI is most useful when it handles the large amount of data and helps people notice patterns sooner. The main lesson is simple. AI does not need to predict every dollar perfectly to provide value. Even a meaningful improvement can reduce surprises, manual work, and rushed borrowing decisions. This is Sudeep Sharma with Star Treasury Insights, snack-sized, the industry perspective. One treasury topic explained in plain English under 10 minutes. Don't just improve, evolve.